Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. Welcome back to my channel to all my OG subscribers. Welcome to my channel to all my new subscribers. And if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing because I'm here weekly with natural hair tips, natural cute hairstyles, whatever your preference is. I got you, it's in my videos. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Okay guys, so let's get into today's video. Today's video, I'm going to be using the Just For Me Kids Natural Hair Milk.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I know you're probably looking at me like, why are you using a kid's hair product on your hair? Okay, I'm a paranoid mom, so I originally used these products on my daughter's hair, and I'm like, okay, I'm trying this stuff out on her hair, and I'm not sure if it's even like safe. I'm just kidding. I don't know, I'm just still paranoid, and I just wanted to test it out on my hair, mostly because I've seen that it's not really bringing moisture to her scalp like it says it's supposed to do, and her hair has been very dry after using these products. So I'm like, okay, what's going on? Let me take a step back and let me try it on my hair. So far I've used the shampoo and conditioner on my hair. So it does say sulfate free, gentle cleansing without dryness. Baby, my scalp was super dry, my hair was super dry after using this, and that only happens when there are sulfates in the product. So I'm not sure, but it says it's not supposed to dry out your hair, but this is very drying. However, it did balance out my hair with the conditioner. My hair was super soft, silky, all of that, but this is super dry. I know for kids products, they do tend to put in ingredients so it doesn't harm their eyes, but yeah, this is not it. I mean, it does say that it has coconut milk in it, shea butter, vitamin E, sunflower oil, but I don't know, this is just not it. Sometimes coconut does tend to dry out your hair a little bit, so that could be an issue as well. But however, this is not for me, and it's not for my daughter as well. So I'm still trying to learn her hair because her hair is a little bit more coarse than mine. So if you guys do have any recommendations, if you do have a daughter and you have, you know, any natural hair routines that you do on her hair, please let me know. Leave me a comment below because I don't know. They don't say mine. Anyways. So, followed with my routine for this week, I am going to be using her natural hair care milk, natural hair milk on her hair. It's a leave-in conditioner, and also I'm going to be using the curl smoother on her hair as well. So, and along with that, I'm going to be using the Blue Magic Indian Hemp. This is really good. This moisturizes her hair really good. I love this, but you know, these two are really good, but it doesn't last. The moisture just sucks. Her hair just sucks all the moisture. So like I said, I just wanted to try this as well, so stay tuned for the results. I do not have any complaints on how these products are working on my hair. Like I mentioned earlier, I just wanted to test these products out for myself to see if the products are drying my daughter's hair out or if they're just simply not for her hair. Her hair tends to dry quickly and does not retain moisture. I can say the same with my hair, but the only way that my hair would dry or does not retain moisture is if those products are not working with my hair. These products that I'm using leaves her hair feeling super moisturized after I apply them to her hair, but then the next day or sometimes a couple hours later, her hair is completely dry. So that's why you see me here just experimenting, applying these products to my hair just to figure things out and what I need to do going forward. So like I said, maybe these products are not for her hair and it dries her hair out because it's not for her hair. With the products applied, and my curls feel super soft and they're like super defined too. So that's exactly how her curls look when I do her hair. But like I said, maybe like a couple hours later or maybe the next day, all of that moisture that was in her hair, her scalp is just completely gone. So I'm trying to figure out if it's the product or if it's her hair. This definitely helps with the detangling process. I can say that. And on my daughter's hair too, like I said, her hair is a little bit more coarse and a little dry. But this definitely helps with my detangling process too. Okay guys, so I forgot to mention that I do love how the Blue Magic Indian Hemp works on my daughter's hair. It always leaves her hair feeling super moisturized. Her hair is moisturized days at a time. So what I would do is apply the Just For Me Kids along with the Blue Magic Indian Hemp. And those two products together works wonders on her hair, and her hair is moisturized. So some of you are probably like, okay, there you go. No, because the curling cream by itself dries her hair out. So that means that product is not for her hair, and I'm just now realizing that. And it's probably some added ingredients in there that they probably didn't put on the label that is drying to her scalp as well. So once I see how this applies to my hair, I'll probably most likely look for a different product. And like I mentioned earlier, if you do have any recommendations on products for kids' hair, please let me know in the comments below. Because I said I was going to be using this, and this is exactly one of the products that I put in my daughter's hair. So when I do apply this to her hair, I put this at the scalp, at the roots of the hair, just to kind of lay it down a little bit to give it moisture. Apply here and on them edges. And on the ends of my hair too. So I've already applied it on this side of my hair. Y'all, mommy brain is for real, and I got it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm finished with braiding my hair, and what I'm going to do is just let it air dry, and hopefully it doesn't shrink up. Sometimes with the braid out, it's like a hit or miss with me. I know some people are like, oh, sit on the dryer or do this. The month of May, there's no dryers, no heat, nothing added to my hair, no extensions. Like I said, all natural things. Just letting it be. Just letting my hair be. Y'all, so I just contradict myself. I said I'm not going to use any heats or sit in the dryer. I'm going to air dry. I'm going to let my hair be. And boom, my boyfriend was like, remember, we have somewhere to go. So I had to sit under the dryer and speed up the process of my hair so my hair can dry quickly. There's nothing wrong with sitting in the dryer. There's nothing wrong with diffusing your hair. But for myself, I wanted to leave all of those things out for the month of May. No added too crazy products to my hair. Just simple things to my hair just to get my hair back on track. That's what I did for myself. Don't judge me. But like I'm doing now, just the takedown process. And like I mentioned earlier, braid outs are a hit or miss for me. So let's see how this look. Okay guys, so these are the final results of my hair. I love how soft my hair feels. I love that my hair looks fluffy. It has volume to it. It's a little frizzy because I picked it out too much, but I love my hair, guys. I do not have any critiques about the products. Just like I said or mentioned earlier, it's just not for my daughter's hair. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.